What's the meaning of bridging loan? Bridging loan. Bridging loan.
Bridging loan. Bridging loan. A bridging loan is a short-term finance option that helps bridge the gap between the purchase of a new property and the sale of an existing one. It is typically used by property buyers who want to complete a purchase before selling their current home. Bridging loans are usually secured against the borrower's property and can be arranged quickly, often within a few days. They can be expensive, with high interest rates and fees, but can be a useful way to access funds quickly in a time-sensitive situation. The loan must be repaid when the borrower's existing property is sold or at the end of the agreed term.